Intoxicated driver tried to turn the tables, accusing the officer of having an attitude while struggling to keep it up together. Let's see how that played out for her.
Primary, SO North.
Do you not see my lights lighting you up?
I didn't see it until I took both in.
Okay. You got your license on you? You understand that you just destroyed the back end of your car and that was a no-go zone past where you were going through?
I didn't see.
You didn't see at all?
No, that's why I was like, the audit is you.
License and registration.
I think,
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had one drink.
One drink, that's it?
Yeah.
Why are you have a little bit of a slurred speech.
Oh, I only had one tequila sunrise, that's all I had tonight.
Okay, how long have you been drinking since?
It was like 10 o'clock when I had my first drink.
Okay.
And that's all I had. Here's where I got my front axle replaced or purchased.
Why do I need that? I need your vehicle registration and your driver's license, like I've asked twice now.
Right, which you don't need to have an attitude with, and I've dealt with mine kind of share before.
Okay, and
I'm
asking,
just showing you the last thing.
And I don't care about.
Okay, but I was literally just showing you the last.
I am asking for your vehicle registration and your driver's license.
And I literally just showed you the last two things that I showed you.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one more time.
You don't need to have an attitude with
One more
me
time.
on the aspect
Vehicle
of what I was
registration
asking.
and your driver's license.
What do you need?
I need your vehicle registration and your driver's license. Thank you.
Won't listen to shit I got to say anyways. Might as well call the fucking police while I'm at it. Why not? I ain't got shit to do with y'all.
You have your driver's license?
Bravo South, 55 Bravo 9.
Just have it at the bar.
Hold 6.
Thank you. Step out of the car for me as well.
Yep. I'm calling the chickens on my faces. Wait, with some more?
Step out of the car.
I will when I get a chance to. You can step back.
Step out of the car.
You can step back. You're not gonna
Step out of the car.
You're not gonna force me out of no
Step out of the car.
You're not gonna force me out of no car.
Man, get out of the car.
You can't force somebody out of somebody else's car. I will call the police on you. My kids in the car.
Give me your keys. Let go of your keys now.
I had my kids in the car. I was literally going home.
Look like your kids out of the car. You were just over at, what's it called?
You're not about to arrest me for something that I didn't do. I haven't done anything. I was literally getting gas. I was getting out the car and she wanted to pull me out the car like I did something wrong.
Let go of the keys. Let go of the keys.
When I see W. Chico, I will.
Let go of the keys.
Pull me out the car like that.
Let's tell you one more time.
Stop. I'm calling the police. I'm calling it. I didn't arrest. I didn't arrest.
Fucking stop.
I didn't arrest. I haven't arrest. I haven't arrest. I haven't arrest. I haven't arrest.
Get inside the fucking
Anything
car.
that's gonna poke, stick me.
No, I haven't done anything!
Spread your feet.
I haven't done anything! I'm telling you, I haven't done anything! I literally was just going home!
Stand up.
I can't if you don't let me! I haven't done anything! I haven't done anything!
Turn your feet in now.
I was literally going...
Another bad Leo case.
I went to go ask. I asked her for ID like 5 times, and then she wouldn't give it to me. And I go step out, and she goes "fuck you" and kicks me right in my fucking shin. I was like, "Oh, you fucking bitch!" So I just yanked her out. So listen, she's being arrested tonight, obviously. She's getting a few charges tacked onto her tonight. As far as her breaking the barricade, just because it is city property, now we have to charge her with it as well. We just got to get a witness statement for you saying, like, you know, you picked it up, you saw it kind of thing. When you put your name and stuff down, you can put the address for the city and stuff. You don't have to put any of your personal, whatever you want. So he's just going to get that, and we're going to be on our way. Criminal mischief about Leo resisting.
And then the DUI portion, Peter's going to take care of it. I'm coming with you, nonetheless.
Okay.
Still with him, but he's taking care of it because it's all other shit going on with it.
So this is where I'm at with it, okay? So she's in the car. I asked her for a registration. She's not fucking giving me a registration. Obviously, I know she's drunk. I asked her for a driver's license about 4 or 5 times.